Hi, welcome to Desi Veg Corner. Today we're going to prepare Poha Pongal. This dish is specially made in Karnataka state and it's a breakfast recipe. Please visit us on YouTube and subscribe to our channel at Desi Veg Corner 2019. Also hit the bell icon to get instant updates. In this video, we are preparing Poha Pongal with tamarind sauce. Cook time is approximately 30 minutes. It serves 4 people and the spice level is medium. We're going to prepare this dish using Instant Pot. Firstly, we're going to take 1/3 cup of yellow split dal, 4 slit green chillies, 2 teaspoons of salt, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, and 2 cups of water. Now we're going to close the lid. Turn the Instant Pot to pressure cook mode for 7 minutes. Once the pressure releases, open the lid and mix well. Two tablespoons of tamarind extract, 2.5 tablespoons of dried coconut powder, 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper, and mix well. Turn off the pressure cook mode and turn on the sauté mode for 10 minutes. If you have Facebook, please follow us at Desi Veg Corner. We have over 100 videos to choose from. Now, put 2.5 cups of washed poha. Make sure the poha is thick. On the side, fry 7 to 10 cashews. Use jeera and ghee to give it some flavor. Once it is roasted, add to the mixture. You can also add 1 cup of water depending on the thickness of the poha, and give it a good mix. Add 1 inch of split ginger. If you don't like the thick ginger pieces, you can grate the ginger and put it in the mixture. Also add 2 tablespoons of ghee and ½ teaspoon of asafoetida. Again, give it a good mix. The texture of poha is almost ready. So garnish it with coriander leaves. And Poha Pongal is ready to be served. Now we're going to do the tamarind sauce. If you haven't yet followed us on YouTube or Facebook, please do so. Take 1/4 cup of tamarind extract. Add 1/3 cup of water and bring it to boil. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Now for flavor, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour water, for thickness, and garnish it with coriander leaves. Tamarind sauce is ready to be served with Poha Pongal. Just before serving Poha Pongal, please add a teaspoon of ghee for flavor. Thanks again for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please leave us a comment and a thumbs up if you really enjoyed watching the video. Have yourself a good day and see you next time.